This is Blertsi, one of Harp's rather laid-back cats. His name, by the way, is an Afrikaans word for a slight mishap. He pitched up at the door one day and has been here ever since. Weighing in at over 10 kilograms, he's rather a large lad. He regards his job as watching over and protecting our 18-year-old Norwegian forest cat named Boy. In the mornings he enjoys sitting and watching our other pets, geese and birds, having breakfast. Naturally, he's far too lazy to even try and catch them. He will often square up to one of the geese, but normally ends up backing down. Here a goose is off to eat Blertsi's cat pellets. Thanks for watching, and Blertsi wants to remind you to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.